Our homework tonight is in our homework journal, page 53 and 54, and we're thinking about fractions. Number 1, Rico's dad brought home 2 pizzas that were exactly the same size. The pepperoni pizza was cut into 6 equal pieces. The cheese pizza was cut into 12 equal pieces. Rico's little brother Luis ate 2 pieces of pepperoni pizza. His big sister Carlota ate 4 pieces of cheese. Justin started crying because he thought Carlota got more pizza than he did. Carlota said they got exactly the same amount. Who was right? So let's first break this down. The pepperoni pizza was cut into 6 equal pieces. The cheese pizza was 12 equal pieces. Luis ate 2 pieces of pepperoni, so he ate 2 of the 6 pieces. This is Luis. Carlota ate 4 pieces of cheese pizza. And so then they were upset because he thought Carlota got more pizza than he did. And it says Justin, but maybe he was upset about Luis. That's what I'm going to think. So I need to compare 2 6ths and 4 12ths. So if I draw a picture, I'm going to be imagining my egg cartons when I draw my 6's, and then I'm going to shade in 2 of them. And then I'm going to draw my same one again, and this time do 4 of them. And I can see that they're pretty close. The drawings are a little tough, so I'm going to check it using multiplication. If I can multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number, they're equal. And 2 times 2 equals 4, and 6 times 2 equals 12, and those are the same number, so those are equivalent fractions. So Carlota is correct. Number 2. Vincent says that 1/4 is bigger than 1/3 because 1/4 is more than 1/3. Well, I'm going to use a number line for that one. And there's 0, there's 1. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. So 1/4 would be right there. And on that same number line, I'm going to put my thirds. So I have 1/3 and 2/3. And 1/3 is right there. And I can see that 1/3 is bigger. So no, I don't agree because 1/3 is bigger. I could have also drawn a picture using our models to show that as well. Talia says that 1/3 and 2 6ths are equivalent fractions. Well, let's model on our egg cartons. There's 1/3, and there's 2 6ths, and yep, the same amount are shaded in. So yes, we agree. Okay. I could also do that multiplication trick that I had mentioned before. 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6, and since those are the same number, they are equivalent. And then it says name another fraction that is equivalent to, so you can go back and you could break that up into 12ths, and if you broke it up into 12ths, you would get 4 12ths. Challenge. In a 12 egg carton, 1/6 equals 2 eggs. Use the grid below to help imagine and draw cartons where 1/6 is 3 eggs and 5/6 is 25 eggs. I'm going to put this one off to the side. 1/6 of my 12 gave me 2 eggs. So it's kind of like a big division problem. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So for part A, I need to think about what divided by 6 is 3. And I know that my answer is 18. 1, 2, 3. So it would be like that. And I can also see that if I broke it up into 6, I have 3 in each. So you can figure it out that way too. Part B says 5/6 is 25 eggs. So if I mark off 25 eggs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5/6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and that's 5/6. If I put one more 6 in, I would get 6/6, and that gives me 30 eggs. And then you are going to describe it in complete sentences, what you end up with. So that is the homework for tonight. I will go back through so you can check your work if you need to. That's the first page and the second page. And that's tonight's homework.